Mr. Eisenman wants to install a gas mixer for technical gases in his production plant. He requests a quote from LT Gas Technic because he knows he will get everything from a single source, from the design, manufacturing, testing, and delivery, and even, upon request, the installation at his plant. Since LT Gas Technic has been manufacturing gas mixers for non-flammable and flammable gases for leading industrial gas producers and industrial companies for over 5 decades, LT is a competent partner. In the first step, Mr. Eisenman considers the most important operating data: gas types, inlet pressure per gas type, outlet pressure of the gas mixture, gas concentration, volume flow, and repeat accuracy. Then Mr. Eisenman visits the LT website and goes through the gas mixer specification tool to determine the optimal configuration. Automatic or manual gas mixer, gas analyzer, buffer vessel, inlet and outlet pressure monitoring, connections, and other options. With this data, LT can create a custom-fit quote. For this, the process engineering design and the equipment components are reviewed and compiled specifically for Mr. Eisenman. As soon as Mr. Eisenman places the order, LT can begin production. The first step is to create a 3D drawing with a bill of materials. The manufacturing drawings are sent to the workshop for the LT technicians. Equipment parts are procured or taken from stock. The manufacturing is carried out by absolute specialists in gas technology systems. After assembly, the gas mixer is tested for pressure, tightness, and function by an LT specialist. This way, Mr. Eisenman receives a tested and CE-compliant solution. The gas mixer is carefully packaged to ensure it arrives safely at Mr. Eisenman's facility. Mr. Eisenman can either install the gas mixer with his own staff or order the installation and commissioning from LT as well. Mr. Eisenman is pleased to have received a high-quality technical solution for gas mixing in his production plant. With a simple configuration of the custom-fit solution, LT designs a compact system that is ready for connection and operation. Your gas mixer is individually priced, quoted, manufactured, and documented, including a certificate and an operating manual. This provides you with a complete, 100% pressure-tested and CE-compliant solution. From the initial sketch to the turnkey solution, LT Gas Technic is your partner for precise gas mixing. Let's start your project together.